So it's actually on my phone, as you can see me right there. Hey guys, spinning through identity, revealing all the pretty little skills. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Another vlog. Welcome if you're new here, and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. I'm Ivandunde if you're new here, and yeah, I wanted to connect the camera today to my phone. I carried it yesterday, but I didn't even get the time to do all that in town as I had lots and lots of work, so I still haven't used it. So I want to try to connect it so that I can use it today. So I don't even know where this mic is supposed to go, but as I said, I want to figure out where all that is supposed to go. Okay, so I have this part. This is what you're supposed to charge, I believe, and you charge it with a Type-C charger. So it's on, and then just connect here, and then connect it to my phone to switch it on. I didn't even do a vlog on TikTok. So the guy at the shop where I bought this from asked me to download this DJI Mimo app so that you can connect it to your device. So it's now connecting. I am not sure what it's doing, but it's just loading. Let me try to connect it and then come back. Okay. Hey y'all, so I've just figured out how to work this camera. So it's actually on my phone, as you can see me right there. Hey guys, so this is really cool. I can't believe it. And now I can actually move the camera anyhow that I want, up, down. Like I can control it on the phone. When I move like this, it moves with me. Like, that is so cool. You can center, you can lift it up. Wow, okay, I think I want it like that right there. Wow. I love this feature. I truly do. So from now on, it's like bye bye to this camera. And if you are actually looking to buy a camera, you can talk to me tuone unaweza fika pesa ngapi kwa hii. Please note, you have to get your own memory cards. Usually comes like this. This is the memory card that you should get for yourself for the camera. And if I have to give you with mine, of course I have to format everything, but kuna vitu zenye ziko kwa hii yenye I don't think I can part with, because I have like 3 of them, and hizi vitu zinakuaga kidogo pricey. Kidogo, it's not so much. It's something that you can afford if you can afford to get yourself a camera. So I just want to get ready right now to go to town. I have some work to do. Well, a lot of work to do. I don't know. I also haven't charged this camera, but I also want to charge this battery. Yeah, I think I want to charge this one. Not I think. I do need to charge this one, because I see the camera itself has like 20-something% of power, and then the bigger one, the bigger size of this, has like 40-something. So I do actually need to charge them. I know you're not supposed to use most devices if they're not fully charged. Inaweza haribu battery. So let me do that, and then we head out to town. Of course, I'm gonna show you, come back and show you my outfit But this camera is so dope. Yo, you don't understand how happy I am. Like, I'm seriously so happy. Yeah, so let me get ready. Ndio twende town. It's currently 9:06 na niliamka 5. What am I doing all this time? So yeah, I do need to head out, go and do 1 2 3 things. Tomorrow I'm most likely gonna have a grocery haul because I haven't done that since I came. Hubby had done it when I was away, but only like 2 to 3 weeks ago, so vitu mingi zimeisha za hiyo time, so let's do that. But I'm seriously just so happy. My heart is like, I don't need anything right now. I'm just so grateful. That's how I feel right now. Do you see that? I can move. I can move. Wow. Wow. Okay, let me get ready. Ndio twende tao. I've been itching. Is this how you all feel? Juu ya kupakwa when they were making the retwist, walitumia gel fulani hapo. What is it called? Inakuwa na jina. And I think haikukauka kabisa. So huku nimekuwa niki-itch haki. You're supposed to get into the dryer and let it dry so that you don't itch. But I've been itching. I've been itching. Like no joke. So yeah. Let me catch you all baadaye kidogo as I get ready. Ndio niwaonyesha outfit yangu ya leo. Well, let me tell you the view of this. Let me first shoot. Okay, the view of this is amazing. I don't know why is it not focusing. I need for it to focus on me. I need for it to focus on me. I think I'll have to work on this for so long before I get used to it. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because I wanted to move around when I need it like to focus on me whenever I move. Okay, so I do this and see if it's not working. Why is it not working? I might need to move closer. If I move closer, let me see if I can actually do it. I need for this to lock on me, on my face, yani. The light is too much. So, has it locked? No, not yet. Yeah, so now as you can see, it's locked on me like completely, but I feel like inama. So okay, right there it had started to do it here. So I am actually done. Can it still move? Now it's not locked on me. Yay. Oops. Frame is too small. So I'm guessing I need for the frame to be a little bigger for it to lock on me. That didn't work, I'm very sure. Wait, okay. No, but I'm done somehow. I've done my rings, I've done my jewelry, this, and I've worn this top. I feel like it's been a while since I wore this top, considering these are my favorite tops to wear, because zinafunika kila kitu, and then they do not show my stomach. They are literally the best tops that I've had so far. So the only thing that I need to do is wear shoes, and hizo viatu ziko room ingine. Sorry all, these are the shoes that I wanted to wear, or I want to wear, because they are so comfortable, and they are just comfortable, very convenient. So I can also never not wear socks with these shoes. They call for some socks. So yeah, let me finish up. Okay, so I've decided to wear these other rings that I had yesterday because they looked so nice. I'm just gonna show you in a few. I was to wear this one, but I don't know, something's up with this. Imenishika sana, so nimetoa, and I've worn these ones. They are so cute. So these ones, another day we shall. Anytime this is the bag I'm gonna carry, and yeah, that's how I'm gonna look. Guys, sijatengeneza uso, and I feel so dry. Okay, can you imagine I've been talking to myself all this time? So I forgot to press record on the phone, so haijakuwa ikirecord. What was I saying? I was saying hii imeisha. This is what I've been using, ni retinol. So this retinol imeisha kabisa, so there's nothing here, and the only thing that I've applied is the Olay. This one has sunscreen. It's like 7-in-1, na iko na SPF ya 15. I got it in China, as you saw. So this one is the only thing that I've applied to my face. I feel much better right now. I was also saying that there's an order that I made on Amazon. Na hiyo order, I think I paid for it yesterday, about 13,200, I think. So yeah, what are the things that I got? I don't know kama nikitoka kwa hii page it will still continue. Yeah, so it's good. So Amazon, there's one item that I truly needed, kumbe sikuiongezea kwa cart. But sasa naambiwa if I have to order for this one item, it's gonna cost me like 30-something hundred. Not me. So that one is just gonna have to wait until I get more things on Amazon. But I truly needed that one. The item that I got, not TikTok, where is Amazon here? So I got the Anua Heart Leaf pore cleanser. I got balancing face moisturizer. I got a Sephora lip gloss, a red one. I hope it's gonna be nice because nimekuwa nikioniki haipiwa. I got a retinol serum by Minimalist. I also got a Dapalene for acne treatment, stuff like that. It works just like tretinoin, like the tretinoin yenye lazima uende kwa pharmacy uandikiwe, or rather go to the doctor, get a prescription, go to the pharmacy, give out the prescription, juu huwezi uziwa over the counter. That one, it works the same apparently, according to TikTok, and according to, what's her name, a girl who, well, a lady who shows people hizo vitu, like she really likes to read the ingredients ya vitu, so she says and swears by this item. So I got it. I also got, why do I have two lotions? A lip gloss, 2 of them, the LA Colors High Shine, and then I got a Anua Heart Leaf Daily Lotion. If I got this one, I didn't need to get the other moisturizer, but it's okay because it's 200 ml, so it's not that small. Okay, that's what I got, and everything was billed to 13,711 and 19 cents. So yeah, that's in Kenya shillings. So that's what I got. That's what I got, and I'm gonna show you when they arrive, of course. But right now we are heading to Dubois to get a few things, and of course work juu lazima tufanye kazi, lazima tukule. So here I'm just chatting with a supplier. I need some bed sheets. I need to see if she can give me a very good rate. So yeah, there's that. Hey guys, good morning. Well, today I'm at home and I haven't gone out. Sorry, let me get this call first. Okay, so I want to work. My kid is in school. Today is on Thursday. They closed yesterday, but they've gone for a trip. Here trip, it's like a book club thingy that they were doing. So me, I want to make a few orders to a supplier, and then later on, also why I haven't gone out is because I will be attending my sister's birthday today. It's her birthday today. Happy birthday, Betty, if you're watching this. We are going for a surprise birthday dinner. She doesn't know anything yet. We've been planning, me and my other sisters and brother. So yeah, we shall see how that goes, but definitely we'll come back and show you guys a few things, what I'll wear when we are there, stuff like that. I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah, I want to make a few orders to a supplier today. Hopefully finish everything today with her, pay her, blah blah blah, and then have them delivered to the cargo as soon as possible, because these ones have delayed kidogo. So that's what I am currently doing. So just working. My other child is outside playing with the nanny, so I'm just alone at home. This is just water to keep me hydrated. Yeah. Cheers. Hey y'all. So I want to do my eyebrows. I have just been indoors like the entire time, the entire day, waiting for my kid. She's still not out, but I need to start getting ready ndio nikimbie to my sister's birthday, which I thought ingekuwa along Mombasa Road, but it's a bit far. Naambiwa tunaenda, I think it's upper hill. I'm not sure where. Well, I do have the details, but sijaienda huko. This will be a first time, so I'm gonna take you with me to her birthday. So I'm just getting ready. Akisi niko na white heads mingi. Hadi kwa mdomo. So that's what I'm getting rid of. I was actually gonna go ndio nifanyiwe makeup na sistangu to town. Thought the kids would have arrived. Oh, but hadi saa hizi bado. So I've just commented on the WhatsApp group ya shule, and no one has replied. Oh no. And I called the teacher earlier, hakuchukua simu. Let me try her again ndio nisichelewe kumchukua. Hello. Yes. Mambo. Anyway, the main thing that I want to do is my eyebrows. So nataka kuzitrim using this. Hello. Okay, I'm done, and oh, this is what I've gotten out. Oh, it's a lot. This is all here, na zingine nilikuwa naona zikianguka. Okay, nimekuwa na food kwa t-shirt. Yeah, I had lunch today. So the kids are supposed to be picked up from school by kitu 5:30 to 6. Saa hizi ni 4:54 ndio wanatoka Karen. Well, maybe like 20 minutes ago ndio walikuwa wanatoka Karen. So I'm about to be so late for that dinner. but it's okay. My kid comes first. The dinner can wait. Oh, yeah, I need to dispose of this as well. It's a lot, so I need to shower. I didn't want to shower before I pick her up. I had already showered in the morning, but I can't go like this. So I need to have changed and do kidogo makeup. Well, very little, very minimal makeup. Kidogo sana. And then, yeah. Should I wear some heels? I was thinking of doing some heels. I haven't done heels in a while. It's been a while since I wore heels, but yeah. Before I go, I have decided to make Hubby his dinner because he will not be joining us. He will be a bit late. Well, he will be late. He will be very late to come home, so I've decided to make him dinner. He's been fasting, so it's just some eggs and some spinach. I had already defrosted the spinach, ziko kwa fridge ya chini, so I will be making that for him, and some eggs. I'm gonna put lots of onions as he has requested, and then just normal spinach. When he fasts, as I've mentioned before, he hardly eats anything heavy, so it needs to be very light, and eggs is what he eats whenever he fasts. So ndio nataka kumtengenezea ndio nirudi tena niende nika shawe before the kids are back to go be picked, and then I go. And I'm gonna use the, I think, expressway because I don't know how the road is gonna look like, kama kutakuwa na traffic or not. Okay, so he's requested that I put lots of onions. loves onions, so nitamwekea onions tatu kwa, well, it's gonna be like an omelette. It is an omelette that I'm gonna make him before I go shower. That's very easy to make. Kaila, come help me.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire, fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than.
Okay, this is what we're having right now, and then The spinach looks very, very delicious. Okay, I need to rush to go pick my daughter up because they are almost there. Just this, like 5 minutes. Alafu niende. I cannot find my heels to save the day, but this dress has these pockets. I think I look really, really nice. I don't feel anything. The goal is to be comfortable, and this is how I feel comfortable. Sandals zangu niliacha tao, hizo zingine zote ziko kwa meli. The other ones that I have, I don't want to wear them, but one pair I left it in town jana. The other ones ziko tu hapa, but I don't feel like wearing them. I feel like this is nice with this bag. Naweza kuchezea hivyo. I've also done a red lippy. Yeah, I've also done a red lippy, and yeah, this is what we are going to work with. I'm going to show you maybe an up close later on, but this dress is so cute. It's a new one. I haven't worn it just yet, and yeah, I think I look nice, decent enough. So yeah, let's go, because I'm totally tired. Sorry, I am so late. I think watanikula, and I will find my sister already surprised, so itakuwa tu kukula. But let's head out. Hey you guys, saizi ni 2026. Why didn't anyone tell me that this place is this far? And apart from being this far, there's traffic. Hey, had I known earlier, lakini ningetoka mapema. So the rest of everyone is already in. So acha mimi nitoke pia mimi niende. So acha tuende tukaone how it's going. Hi. Thank you. Hi everyone. Hi Wanjiru.
Yeah. When you record?
Yes.
Expect camera people.
No, it's supposed to be this small. Anyways. Hi.
You know.
Where? Nimefanya hadi makeup, gosh. Sisi ndio
Hakuna see anyone anywhere.
Sasa like on a white view. Naona dalili anadi. Wewe unless wewe huko. Naona vile. Don't even mention it because don't even mention it. You're babe. This is my plate so far. I had already started eating. The rest are already eating.
What?
This one and her phone. Chare, gosh.
Something about your love got a way about it. Like everything you say got me stuck on you. It's not always pretty, but I'm lost without it. Cause you're the way, the light, and the perfect truth. For God so loved this girl that he gave me you. So I fall to my knees and I pray you. And I cannot deny that you are the one for me. You gave your life, I gave my life, I won't run from you. I'll do what you want me to show you that I'm all in. I'll do for you. Want you to know that I'm all in with you. I'll do for you. Want you to know I'm all in. I'll do. I've been messing up. Something about your love's got a way about it. Like everything you say got me stuck on you. It's not always pretty, but I'm lost without it. Cause you're the way, the light, and the perfect truth. For God so loved this girl that he gave me you. So I fall to my knees and I pray you. And I cannot deny that you are the one for me. You gave your life, I gave my life, I won't run from you. I'll do what you want me to show you that I'm all in. I'll do for you want you to know that I'm all in with you. I'll do for you want you to know I'm all in. I'll do what you want me to show you that I'm all in. And I know you know I've been messing up. But you hold me close when I'm reckless and cold. I don't know how I got you strong. The only one to lead, and I will follow, no mistrust. The God of all my needs, oh, you got me falling in love. So that's the way I wanna try. You got me falling in love. So that's the way you wanna try. I'll do what you want me to show you that I'm all in. I'll do for you want you to know that I'm all in with you. I'll do for you want you to know I'm all in. I'll do what you want me to.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Live to be toothless.
Cheers.
Hata inakaa tu roho yako venye inakaanga. Right? Uliwaona Chris Kena aki-explain. Keki. Akiitwa kuhusu keki. Anaenda kukata. Nasema na baadaye. Na the color represents the pure heart you have. Anaenda kukata, anakumbuka tena. And then the gold color looks like how pure you are in our lives and how you mean.
Thank you, thank you.
It's nice.
Wow.
Eish. Wow. Betsy, you're looking amazing. Yeah. What we are having today, bakuna chapos. Very, very yummy. Kuna pilau. Kuna chips. Sijaweka hata chips. Coming back for more. Kuna stew. Kuna some greens, but zimekaangwa. Like literally has everything. Very yummy. Very healthy. Very considerate. Kuna kachumbari mara mbili. Kuna hii. This one has mayonnaise na nyanya. And then kuna hii ingine. Ooh, look at that. The presentation is everything. Aya, and then kuna some chicken. Kuna our chef right there. If you'd like his number, anaweza watumia number, anatutengenezea samosas. Your name, chef?
Gerald.
Gerald. Okay, sawa sawa. Yeye ndiye ametengeneza hizi vitu zote. And there is more. Nitawaonyesha as we go by. Sasa going back huku. Watu wako huku nje. Wanjiru loves her food. Ooh.
Ile juu kama ni wine nilikuwekea. Hata matatizo na murei. Nimefia. Juu samosa. Tumandazi ni kizuri sana. Samosa? Sijaonja.
Sio hiyo kamera yangu.
Hebu nichukue.
Hii inachukua kila mtu.
Kana zoom?
Yes.
Karibu na nani?
Hadi ni
Ya kanisa kapo.
Hey, okay.